Oh no, that seems like something.
God damn it.
What?
I've been streaming in full cam this entire time.
Full cam?
Yeah.
Oh no! But I
You see what you're doing to me?
this is super difficult. Oh! You're not even. Oh my god, baby. So we're going to have a date today. We're going to do a few nice things in Ghent today. So I'll take you with me. Yes, I'll also take you with me.
Fruit break.
Wow.
Is doing 2 weeks of laundry also a form of self-care? I don't know. Hi guys, and welcome to this vlog. I haven't done a decent introduction yet. I know I look a little bit crazy, but it's Sunday evening and I want to make this a very cozy hobby slash self-care vlog. This is actually inspired by Cozy K because I really love her vlogs. So I wanted to do something similar, but instead of doing cozy activities in one day, I'm going to spread it over 1 week because Evert is home from work and we have a lot of fun things planned to do next week. I also want to put in some art, of course, which technically is a hobby of mine. I also want to crochet a little bit. We have a lot of sport activities planned. I'll try to make cookies and maybe do my nails and stuff like that. I don't know, it will just be very fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and let's continue with this vlog. I just made a design for a wall hanging that I really want to make and I'm going to make a video about it as well. But I'm still waiting for the yarn to arrive. Hi guys, please don't pay attention to how I look because I'm going to wash my hair when we get back home. But today we're going to go to the gym. We're going to do groceries. When I get home, we're going to take a shower and I'm going to apply a face mask because my skin isn't acting that well, to be honest. And then this afternoon, I'll probably work on a crochet project that I've been eyeing for a while. Let me show you. I bought this yarn and I want to make dino nuggets, so I'm going to buy the pattern this afternoon and then we're going to have some fun making some dinosaur nuggets. And those are the plans for today. I know I look very beautiful now. It's because I'm doing a face mask because my skin is very bad lately, so I hope this fixes all my problems. My piercing is stuck. Does my skin look any better? It probably still looks very bad. I want to show you the monstrosity that I've made. I don't know how it could come out this ugly, to be honest. Like, I don't know what's going on here. And like the holes really annoy me. It freaks me out, these holes. To be fair, the pattern set, this was easy, but I have never had such a difficult pattern, and there were a lot of things in the pattern that I didn't understand at all. I don't know, it's super ugly and I hate it, and I spent like 4 hours on this. So I feel kind of annoyed now that it turned out so ugly. Well, I mean, maybe from afar it's cute, but oh my god, these holes annoy me so much, it's so gross. Okay, well, I'm actually behind on schedule because I also have to do some other things. I started making this smoothie this afternoon and then I never finished it, so I'll probably finish it now. And I also need to clean Mona's litter box and stuff like that. And then I'll probably just continue knitting on a project that I've either published before this video or after this video. So be sure to subscribe. It's 8:30 p.m. and I'm finally having the smoothie I wanted to make this afternoon. And I think it has matcha and the powder that I use, so I hope I don't get too energized. Oh no, it's not cold anymore, which was to be expected. I also really want to make the other dinosaur because the pattern came with 2 different dinosaur patterns. That other dinosaur will be for another time, and I'm really scared to do the other dinosaur as well, because now I'm scared it will also be ugly, but I don't know yet. Hi guys, I'm going to do a little unboxing for you because my yarn finally arrived. I ordered a few skeins of yarn during the Hobby sale. So here is the huge package. So first of all, I'm seeing this. This was actually the ad that I got recommended on Instagram and I really fell for the ad. So this is super cute. I think it's acrylic. No, it's polyester. I have it in different colors. I also have it in black, white, this cream color. Then I have the same kind of yarn but without the spickles in this deep green color, this dark purple color, this pink with the spickles, and I think that was it for that type of yarn. I'm planning to use this yarn, all this yarn. Well, I don't know if I'll use every color, but I bought it for a wall hanging that I want to make, like the one I showed previously in the video, of which I already made the graph. And then I got a bunch of these types of skeins. I actually expected them to be a little bit bigger, like the yarn itself, because this is cotton and I was looking for a thick cotton yarn, but that almost doesn't exist. So this was the thickest type of yarn that they had for cotton, but I bought a few of these colors because I want to use cotton for my own designed clothing collection, which I will work on this year. So if you want to see that, please stick around, but it will be a bit later this year that I'll start on my own clothing collection. So I have a lot of these purple ones because I love purple. I have 5 of these blue ones. I have 5 of these pink ones. 10 of these off-white cream colored ones. And then this beautiful dark green. It's a bit of a muted green. And then this bright mint color. I really love all the colors that I got, and I'll definitely be able to use them for my own clothing collection. I'll probably need some extra colors, but maybe I can look in my basket of yarn that I already have to see if I have extra colors that I can use for my own clothing collection with like the same width of yarn. I was hoping it would be a bit thicker yarn because I don't know why they can't make thick cotton yarn. It's always super skinny. This isn't sponsored or anything. That would be kind of insane for like having 100 views max on my videos. That would be kind of insane if Hobby would sponsor me. They are welcome to do so, but I think that would be a bit insane. today I am editing and publishing my knitting video of the kit that Marzia made with We Are Knitters. So that's the activity of today. Maybe I'll crochet a bit this evening, I don't know yet. Hi guys, it's now Thursday. Yesterday I just edited my knitting video of the kit that Marzia collabed for, and today we're going to go biking to like a nature place and I'm going to take you with us. I'm wearing a super cute outfit, by the way, only like this lace is a bit annoying, but I'm too lazy to change up my bra. Too lazy. Look how cute I look. The top is actually thrifted a few years ago, and then these shorts are new. And I also really like my makeup. This week we also actually wanted to go skating, but I can't find my roller skates anywhere. So we had to scrap that off of the planning. But yeah, let's go on a bike ride. It was really nice outside. I know Cozy K, who is the inspiration for this video, actually dislikes vlogs outside of the house. So she usually prefers vlogs inside. And although I am pretty much an inside person, I also really enjoy good weather outside. So I wanted to include it in this vlog. It's maybe not 100% the same vibe as her videos, but that doesn't matter that much to me. This evening and tomorrow I have some cozy things planned to do inside of the house, and I'll film that for you. And then this Saturday I'm going to go to the city for a friend, her birthday, and I'm going to give her a gift card that I made for a course that I also signed in for. It will be like a fashion course, designing patterns and then also executing the patterns. And she also wanted to do the course if I was going to do it. So I'm going to make her a coupon, a gift card that I just made myself. It's not an actual gift card. We'll go to my favorite pizza place as well. Yeah, just keep watching and I'll take you with me. careful. This evening I'm going to go live on Evert's stream again, but I actually wanted to do my nails today. I think I'll just sit next to him and do my nails and then afterwards join with Fall Guys. But I'll first prep my nails a little bit. If it wants to work though. Oh, that. My camera isn't even focused on what I'm doing.
It's focused on me, of course.
Yeah, on your legs. I'll just stop filming for now. I just did my nails, but my right hand is a bit weird. The designs are a bit blobby. Left hand is cute though. Ta-da! I finally did my nails after like 2 months or something. I don't know. Look how good the food looks. Oh no! My cell phone did this by itself.
No,
It like opened.
No, I think I hit something.
Oh, did you hit my cell phone? And then it
Yeah.
opened like all the tabs, and there was me giving birth on the gem machine. I hope my laugh
Yeah.
wasn't too.
I tasted some stand as well.
So I am ready to go to the city for my friend's birthday, and I wanted to show you the coupon I made for her. It's like this. And I used the image of my wall hanging that I'm currently making, and I added some clothing to the cows, and I really liked the pants on the cow in the back. So this is the little coupon I'll give her. I just made it myself because there is no actual coupon for the course we want to do. So yeah, I really like how I look. I love the earrings and the necklace and then the stop. Don't mind all the mess over here. There's mess everywhere, like random stuff of my hobbies lying around everywhere. And then when it gets cold, I'm gonna wear the sweater I made in the last video, so be sure to watch the Knit With Me video as well. So I'm now home, baby. I'm now home and I will end the vlog here because tomorrow I'll just clean the house and I don't think that's very interesting. But when I got home, I actually forgot my pizza on the train, which is very unfortunate. It's kind of like the saddest one-sentence story ever, according to my friend. So that's the saddest story ever, that I forgot my pizza on the train, and I really hope someone finds it and eats it somehow, although that's probably a bit weird to do when you find a random pizza on the train. But I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like and comment an emoji that resembles Mona. Kom hier naar hier. Bibi! Bibi! Okay. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a good day or night. Bye bye!